Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi and in today's video I'm going to do a Derm Dog haul. If you have never heard of this brand before, if you have missed out on my previous videos in this series, I will link my previous videos down in the description box below. You can check them out. What I really like about this brand Derm Dog, guys, is that it's a very science-based brand, okay? It's not your typical beauty brand, it's a very science-based brand, and especially for those of you who love understanding your actives, your ingredients. Now, of course, nobody is a chemist, okay, over here, so you probably don't know about all the ingredients, which is fine. But even if you understand the actives, it can actually improve your skin so much. You can use what is right for your skin problems, right? So one of the things that's common amongst all the products, I have 4 products to share with you all today. These are some of my recent discoveries. So one of the things that's common amongst all of these 4 products is that right in the name itself, you can see the percentage of actives, okay, like 100% squalene serum. Now, right there that how much squalene is there, or 10% niacinamide, it's right there in the name itself. So you know exactly what you're going for and what it's supposed to do for your skin. Apart from that, I love the fact that all of these products are cruelty free. They are fragrance free, paraben free, sulfate free, silicone free, mineral oil free, basically free of all the nasties. And did I mention cruelty free? So this is a brand, and by the way, all the products are also manufactured in India. So there are just so many things and super affordable too, by the way. So yes, that's about the brand. In case you've never heard of them before, of course, I'll put all the links in the description box below. So like I just said, you can get these on purple.com, and currently they are having the Band Baja Beauty sale starting from 21st to 28th of November, where you can get up to 50% off on your purchases. Use code PRNY for 15% off up to rupees 100 on a minimum order of rupees 700. All links and details also shared in the description box below. Now I have 3 serums and I have 1 moisturizer. So I'm going to start with the favorite product of all, my personal favorite product of all, which is the Derm Dog 100% Squalene Face Serum. Let me show you the product up close. Now this product is designed for dry skin, and like it says over here, it prevents TEWL. What does TEWL mean? What does it stand for? It basically stands for trans epidermal water loss. Okay, so when you have dry skin, your skin is not being able to retain the moisture, it's not able to retain the water, because of which it is dehydrated, it's looking even more dry. So squalene is actually, if you really want to understand this ingredient, by the way, squalene is one of the most loved dermatologist approved ingredients to use for dry skin. Okay, I personally have extremely dry skin, and squalene is something that I'm always looking out for when I am using my beauty products. So squalene is something which has suddenly started getting a lot of understanding and recognition in the beauty industry, and I'm so happy about that, because it retains the moisture in your skin, it prevents the moisture loss, leaving your skin looking supple, healthy, glowing. It's absolutely wonderful and very, very safe. So how do you use this product? Well, it's very, very simple. Before that, actually, let me show you the texture. So do you see it has a water-like consistency, but when you actually touch it on your skin, you will know that it has a slightly oily feel. Okay, it's not greasy, but it has an oily texture, which is absorbed very, very quickly if you have dry skin. Like you can see, my skin has taken it all in, and it instantly looks refreshed, hydrated, moisturized. That is what it does. So I love the fact that the texture is lightweight, easily absorbed, and because of the slight oily texture, it's great for it's great for dry skin. So how do you use this? Just remove all your makeup, wash your face, and then just take a few drops and massage this well into your skin. Your skin will absorb it all, and then lock it in with a light moisturizer, and you should be good to go. Ideally, this is something that you can use twice a day, and like I said, paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free, all the amazing stuff, and no nasty. So I think that's absolutely amazing. Now I just talked about moisturizer or using a cream after using this serum. So here's a cream that I really want to talk about, which is the Derm Dog. Let me show this here up close. The Derm Dog 1% hyaluronic acid face cream. This is designed for normal to dry skin to provide intense nourishment. Now, what does hyaluronic acid do? Hyaluronic acid is basically known as moisture magnet, because it can hold up to 1000 times its weight in water. So 1% hyaluronic acid is also amazing. Okay, and it can just give you that plumped up, hydrated, moisturized, nourished look, and it's really, really healthy for your skin. Okay, so naturally your skin already has hyaluronic acid, but as you grow older, the body starts, like, the natural hyaluronic acid in your skin starts to deplete, okay, or diminish. So you need to apply a little bit more to keep your skin looking amazing. Now hyaluronic acid is also very, very versatile, and it can be paired with a lot of ingredients. Practically most popular skincare ingredients. You can actually use them with hyaluronic acid, and it's actually perfect for all skin types. My skin type is dry and it especially loves hyaluronic acid. So let me show you the product consistency first at the back of my hand. So it has a light weight, very easy to work with consistency. Once again, absorbed very quickly into the skin and doesn't leave any sticky greasy feel behind. So if you need to apply this on your face, make sure you first use a serum, because it's always a good step. Of course not mandatory, but it's always a good step. And yeah, then just take a little bit and massage this all over your skin, all over your neck, and you're good to go. Again, this is something that you can use as a part of your AM PM routine, and like I said, fragrance free, cruelty free, paraben free, silicone, mineral oil free, and free of all nasties. Moving to the next product. Now this is something which is wonderful for all those of you who have pigmentation problems, who have dull skin. This is something that can transform your skin. Okay, this is 20% vitamin C face serum. Now this one is designed for all skin types, so everyone can use it. And let me show you the product packaging up close. It is designed to brighten your skin tone, boost collagen production, and protect the skin against free radical damage. What does vitamin C really do? Vitamin C is something which has antioxidant properties. Okay, so it can actually neutralize those free radicals. Like when an apple falls from the tree, it starts to rot. The same way, all living cells, they have a tendency to deplete with time. Vitamin C can actually slow down that process and give you much better looking skin. Vitamin C is also great if you have uneven skin tone, if you have spots, if you have pigmentation, if you have excess tanning. Vitamin C can actually help in revitalizing your skin and brightening up your skin, giving you beautiful skin. Okay, so let me show you the texture. Now this one actually has a very, very lightweight, watery texture, extremely lightweight, very quickly absorbed into the skin. And when you apply it on your face, it's very easy to work with. Just apply it on clean skin, dab, and that's it. Okay, massage, dab, whatever works for you. Now vitamin C is something which you can use morning and evening as well. This is a I think I mentioned this right. This is the Derm Doc 20% vitamin C face serum. Okay, 20% vitamin C. However, if you're using it in the morning, please make sure that you always lock it in with a good sunscreen. And last but not the least, now this is something which is very good, specifically if you have spots on your skin. Okay, so this is the Derm Doc 10% niacinamide face serum. Once again, designed for all skin types. And let me show you the product packaging up close. It actually helps to treat blemishes and dark spots, like I just said. Now, what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is also known as niacin or vitamin B3, which balances sebum activity, improves skin barrier function, to even out the skin tone and enhance skin radiance. So if you see the texture, it is lightweight and slightly more gel and watery. Okay, so it's not all watery, it's more like gel watery texture. Okay, I hope I'm describing this correctly and easy for you to understand. And when you use it on your skin, let me show this at the back of my hand. This is how it looks. So the skin absorbs it very, very quickly, but you have to massage it a little bit, and that's it. So niacinamide, niacin, vitamin B3, all of these are different ways of calling niacinamide, right? So so this is basically something which is again dermatologically recommended a lot, especially for those teenagers and for those people who have very specific spots. Now you don't have to specifically use this only on your spots. You can actually absorb it all over your skin, because like I said, it also enhances your skin radiance, so you can use it throughout your face, and that's about it. So use it on clean skin, massage it very, very well. Like I just said, it has a slightly gel-like consistency, but it is absorbed very well, and it once again gives you a very nice non-sticky, non-greasy feel. And lock it in with your moisturizer, with your face cream, and that should be good enough. So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. This was my quick haul, and these are the products which I recently discovered. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any if you have ever tried out any products from Derm Doc. I will link all the product details and everything, links and everything in the description box below. They are available on purplle.com, and in case you want to know more about them, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. I would love to get back to you, help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.